Welcome back sa akin channel mga kasweet at magandang araw sa inyo. Matapos nga ang pag-file ng temporary restraining order sa impeachment ni Vice President Sara, ay akyat na ito sa Korte Suprema. Sa kabilang banda ay tila pumabor naman itong si Karen Davila. Parang ang nagiging tingin na niya kay Representative Jinky Luistro ay parang siya na ang korte. Lalo na nang manakot ito sa mga bangko na hindi susunod sa pag-uutos ng Kongreso. Kung magpapasight in contempt nga naman itong si Jinky Luistro, ay para na nga itong actual impeachment trial na dapat ay hindi naman dahil ang trial ay magaganap dapat sa Senado. Panoorin natin ang video na ito.
But Representative, etong tanong. So Attorney Poa goes there. I'll give you a scenario. He refuses to answer questions. He'll say, I don't believe that this is the forum. Right? Let's say hypothetically, you have to remember they have a defense strategy.
Yes.
I mean, I don't know what it is, but what if Michael Poa will be used as a witness in the trial process? Because you yourself said he was in a position then, right? During that time, he knows where the funds were spent. So he may not be one of the lawyers in the hearing, in the trial proper, but they could use him as a witness. We don't know that. But by bringing him there, o sasabihin ng kasamahan mo, we will cite you in contempt for not responding.
Diba?
So that's when this gets blurry. He can choose not to respond. He can choose not to cooperate because it could be a part of the strategy. This is why ang tanong ko, what is the role of the members? You know, he can choose not to answer.
The members
Yeah,
are
but
the
you know what? A
investigators.
person can choose not to respond.
Uh-uh.
It is within the right of any person to choose not to respond because that is not a trial. Kaya yan yung tanong ko eh.
Yes.
Aren't you already crossing the line at this point by you're actually, ang pinapasabi na nyo are probable evidence. Ha? Nandun na kayo eh. So yan ang tanong ko, okay, what if Attorney Poa refuses to respond? Can you cite him in contempt? That's a basic question. Can you?
He has to cite the ground for refusing to
Okay.
respond.
So a
No?
possible response, Mr. Chair,
Yan na.
I cannot respond because this will be part of the evidence in the upcoming trial. By responding, we will be handing out our strategy. As a team, we have decided not to respond in this hearing. O paano kayo ngayon?
Because they are not recognizing the constitutionality
Not
of the
necessarily.
proceeding. Is that the
They can
reason?
say, we recognize this, but I am limited. I cannot give out details. O
Well,
paano yun? ma'am?
it will depend on the members of the Justice Committee. May rules tayo.
Yan na naman.
Inciting
But how far can you go? Yan
resource
ang tanong
persons
ko.
in contempt. No? It
Okay.
will depend on how the justice members will be reacting to the failure or refusal of the resource person or the witness to respond.
Because let's say you cite a person in contempt, i-detain nyo, ipapakulong nyo. Hindi pa trabaho na yan sa actual impeachment
Totoo.
trial? Parang you are really acting like a court. That's my question. If you go this way,
Diba? You're really acting like a court, sabi nga ni Miss Karen Davila. O diba parang mas may alam pa itong si Karen Davila pagdating sa ating saligang batas. Parang siya pa yung abogado eh, kesa dito kay Jinky Luistro. Dito pa lamang basang-basa na ni Miss Karen Davila yung purpose ng pamini trial ni Jinky Luistro kasama ng mga bukayang kongresista. Ituloy pa natin ng video.
Mini trial.
oo. Do you
It was-
believe now that you used, I mean, now that we're having this discussion, frankly speaking, do you believe that it was a mistake to use mini trial?
Iyon.
I don't think so.
Weh?
Because it was intended to make a clear distinction between what the people are watching in TV with respect to the trial that is happening in the Senate. Because how else will you explain that to the ordinary people? ang nakatatak sa isip ng tao ay yung trial ni President Estrada, trial ni Chief Justice Corona, because they've seen this in televisions. And in my effort to reach out to the grassroots, because after all, this impeachment process is an extraordinary power that was given to the Filipino people. I use mini trial to make them understand, ito pala maliit na proseso compare doon sa nangyayari sa Senado, which is the real
Hindi nga
trial,
pwede yun.
no?
Oh, but this is not a trial.
Oo.
That's the problem. What you are doing is not a trial, right? I mean,
That's correct.
a trial determines guilt or innocence.
Yes.
So technically, the word trial is wrong.
Perhaps it is misplaced,
No,
but
misplaced.
it has reference to a structured process
Sus,
of
process na
investigating and giving opportunity to both parties to present the respective evidence, no?
Kasi you could have just used probable cause hearing.
Yun.
Do you think that is
Another
Diba?
term.
do you think that the preliminary investigation thing, the clarificatory hearing thing, what did you say, the probable cause thing,
Probable cause hearing. Oo.
are this easily understandable
Yes.
to the grassroots, the ordinary
Oo.
Filipino
Hindi
people?
kami tanga, Luis
I think
Tro.
Kasi ang mini trial can have legal implications.
Sasabit
Tinanong
yan.
ng reporter, will you take this to the Supreme Court? So baka sumabit ulit kayo.
Yun.
Diba?
Totoo yun mga kasweet. Talagang sasabit dito si Luis Tro at ang Kongreso. Kaya nga naglakas loob ang kampo ni VP Sara na iakyat itong impeachment proceedings na ito na ginagawa ng Kongreso ang kanilang pa-mini trial sa Supreme Court dahil alam nila sabit talaga dito ang Kongreso. Ito kasi yung problema sa mga buhayang kongresista na ito, no? Kapag talaga masama ang kanilang hangarin, may agenda. Hindi pa yun na nga, nag-decide na sila, nagbotohan na agad-agad sufficient in grounds, bakit hindi nila agad dalhin sa plenaryo at pagboto-botohan na? Hindi ba? Hindi nga nila madala doon sa plenaryo kasi alam nila wala silang ebidensya, nag-fishing pa at siguro malamang wala pa silang makuwang boto. Kaya doon pa lamang sa ginagawa nila itong fishing expedition, sablay na talaga at maaaring o posibleng mabasura ang impeachment mini trial na ito. Mabasura ng ating Korte Suprema. At saka papayag ba kayo, mga kasweet, tayong mga Pilipino ina-underestimate ni Jinky Luistro na maiintindihan ba daw ng mga Pilipino ang ibig sabihin ng probable cause hearing? Ano tayo mga bobo? Kapag daw ginamit nila ang mini trial, maiintindihan daw natin. Pero nga bawal nga magsagawa ng trial ang Kongreso dahil ang trial ay isinasagawa doon sa Senado. Sa Senado doon magsasagawa ng Senate trial. Doon ang impeachment court. Hindi diyan sa Kongreso. Papayag ba kayo mga kasweet na underestimate yung kakayahan natin yung ating talino? Talino ng mga Pilipino? Ina-underestimate ni Jinky Luistro kasi mahina daw umintindi ang mga Pilipino. Talagang gagawin nila ang lahat para lang matuloy ang pa-mini trial nila. Nasabi nga ni Ms. Karen Davila, you're acting like a court na hindi naman dapat. Mas mataas ang Senado sa mga kongresistang ito. At ayun nga mga kasweet, papayag ba kayo na maliitin, i-underestimate ni Jinky Luistro ang ating kakayahan sa pag-iisip, ang ating talino? Na baka daw hindi maintindihan ng mga Pilipino ang ibig sabihin ng probable cause hearing na yun ang dapat itawag, hindi mini trial. Ginawa pa tayong bobo mga kasweet. Yun lamang at ano ang inyong opinion? Paig ba kayo na tawagin tayong bobo ni Luistro? Abay mag-comment na kayo dyan sa comment section at magkita-kita ulit tayo.